of getting more fruits and veggies into your kids' diets?
Oh, for years. That's especially when they were little. That was something that I was always trying to find a way to, hide it and get them more fruits and veggies. But yeah.
So I started trying to brainstorm, asked some friends, they had any suggestions, and it was all just the same old. So I was trying to come up with a recipe that was a little different. And so I think I have it. We'll find out. We'll see if the kids like it or not.
I think it's gonna be yummy.
So it's actually a Korean sloppy joe.
So it's not just meat and a can of manwich.
No cans here.
That probably wouldn't be very healthy.
So what I did was I just finely minced up some carrot and some red onion and some zucchini, and I just sauteed it down. Okay, so we're talking real small because let's face it, kids don't want to see. They don't want to see green. They want to see carrots. So mince that down, and then I think what I decided to do, we just cut up some spinach really fine.
So a handful of spinach, just cut that up. I didn't like veggies when I was younger. I think I was honestly almost in my late 20s before I started to acquire the taste. Our taste buds dull as we get older, and I think we're open to more flavors. I was really picky as a kid.
Oh, I think I ate canned corn and canned peas.
Oh yeah.
And green beans.
Yeah.
All canned, nothing fresh.
Yeah.
So I'm just gonna give this a quick little stir here. And then what we're gonna go ahead and do is add 1.5 pounds of ground beef.
Okay.
So I opted to do 2 to 1. So we're gonna do some
Ground beef.
So about
Put
8
that in?
ounces.
That's 8 ounces.
That's about 8 ounces, half pound.
Okay.
Looks maybe a little bit more. But
Yeah.
and then we've got 1 pound of ground turkey.
Okay. So we're gonna put all this in.
We're gonna put all of it in.
Okay. Okay.
All right. So we're gonna go ahead and just get this all browned and ready to go. So the key here is to not make it real fine. Like you need some chunks of meat to kind of hold the sandwich together, because otherwise, when you go put it on the bun, it all kind of falls out.
Do you want my meat bammer?
If you have it handy, I think
do.
everybody would like to see your meat bammer.
I love this thing. Let's see. Oh, you know what? I used it. Here it's in the dishwasher. Okay. So, love this little tool. It's awesome. Trying to think where I got it, but I love it. And I've seen it just even at the dollar store. There's one there.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay.
But it just makes it so easy to kind of break up any kind of ground meat, sausage or meat or turkey or whatever.
This is awesome.
Isn't it awesome? I love it. I mean, my kids love to help me with it too.
Okay, so we're just gonna brown this up. Okay, so, I know, doesn't it look good? So we've got this cooked down now, so you see?
Yeah,
So
I mean, that looks delicious.
all right, so now we're gonna add, let me get I need the equivalent of 3 cloves of garlic. I don't think I'd put 3 cloves in here, so maybe just a,
Half teaspoon?
yes.
And a half teaspoon's a clove, right?
Yes.
So, you wanna just go with a half?
Yeah, maybe a heaping.
Heaping half. Okay.
That's
Good?
That's good.
Okay.
All right.
So our minced garlic, gosh, you can smell that garlic.
And then we're gonna put 2 teaspoons of sesame oil.
Okay. 2 teaspoons of sesame oil. I love this. Just gives it a nice little Asian flair.
And then after that, we're gonna add in a 1/2 cup of ketchup
Okay.
and a 1/2 cup of hoisin sauce.
All right, so I've already got ketchup here. I'll let you get that. And then hoisin sauce, just an Asian kind of this consistency of ketchup.
I think
A
it's
little
just a
sweeter.
little sweeter, yeah.
Mhm.
Okay. And then we're gonna do 1/2 cup of water.
Okay. There we go.
That's a 1/2 cup. It's not as dark as I thought.
Yeah.
I'm hoping that,
Hide the
I was
veggies.
hoping to hide the veggies, but
Yeah.
let's see what happens here.
Yeah.
And then we're gonna do 2 tablespoons of low sodium soy sauce.
And you've got here some liquid aminos, Bragg's liquid aminos. I love these. So it's just a natural soy sauce alternative. You use this too, huh?
I do.
And it's gluten-free. That's the biggest reason, because if you need to not have gluten.
Right.
2 tablespoons.
2 tablespoons.
And did you get this at Schnucks, or can you get it anywhere?
I think I've gotten it at Trader Joe's. I've gotten it at Schnucks.
Okay. Yeah, I used to get mine at Lucky's, but that's not open anymore.
It's not, no longer. And then we need a tablespoon of rice wine vinegar.
Tablespoon. Okay.
Which I thought that was a little different, so we'll see.
Okay.
Okay. And then it calls for a teaspoon of sriracha.
All right. I'm thinking we talked about putting in a little bit less, right?
Yeah, because
Just a little.
this is hot. Let's just do that.
About probably quarter to a half.
Yeah.
Since we're doing, with kids, we're thinking maybe not too spicy hot. I didn't do well with hot stuff when I was younger. I love it now, but
No, me either.
again, your taste buds dull, so that's probably a big part of it.
Okay. So then, as we were talking about, trying to find other alternatives to other options to add more veggies to our kids' diet. We sell Juice Plus. We're both distributors, and I thought, well, duh. Why don't we just open up a capsule and put it in?
Why not?
What do you think?
I mean, we add it to smoothies,
Right.
shakes. I mean, we're getting about 12 different vegetables in here. This is broccoli, parsley, tomato, carrot, garlic, beet, spinach, cabbage, lemon peel, rice bran, and kale. So that's what's in these, and it's got a nutrition label. It's food.
It's food.
So
Right. And when's the last time your kids had beets? I mean, my kids don't like beets.
my kids have never had beets.
And-
Well, I guess I should say
Well,
for the last
they
12
have.
years they've had beets, because they take these every day. They just don't know they're having beets. So we're gonna open up one of these, right? Just kind of sprinkle the goodness. If you've ever heard of Dr. Sears, the kind of famous pediatrician, he calls these sprinkles, and he opens these capsules up for his new little babies in his office, and he puts some of the green on his, and then the green and then the red, but he starts with the veggies, because you don't want to give them anything sweet in the
Right.
beginning, and he just puts some on their tongue and gets them used to that taste of vegetables. I wish I would have gone to Dr. Sears.
Oh, I know. Absolutely.
I mean, I used to be excited, like my kids I'd go to McDonald's and they'd get chicken nuggets. I'd be like, oh, they ate their whole meal. I can't believe I was excited about that. I wish I was giving them sprinkles.
I know. I think we ought to do one more.
One more?
I think we should do one more.
Might as well. All right.
Here we go.
Give it a whirl.
They're not gonna know.
No, you'll never taste it.
No.
Okay.
Okay.
Wait, a little bit more in there.
Rip 'em.
Uh-oh.
Get it all out.
There we go.
All right. Okay, so then it just tells you to lower this and just let it continue to cook. Sauce is gonna start to thicken up a little bit and kind of reduce. And that's when it kind of sticks to the meat. So we're gonna do that. I'm gonna just turn this down.
And actually the encapsulation of the Juice Plus is tapioca. We could have actually just thrown that in there too, but
Think about that.
yeah. I mean, it's totally edible. It's tapioca, so it's all vegan.
Okay. So we're gonna let this cook for a little bit. So stay tuned.
Okay.
Okay. See how it started to cook down and the sauce has gotten thicker?
Mm-hmm.
You
Yeah.
see that?
I mean, that just looks so good. Yeah. And I mean, you really can't see the veggies. I mean, the sauce and then the darkness of the meat. I think if you didn't use any turkey meat, you wouldn't be able to see it at all.
Definitely wouldn't be able to see it.
The turkey meat kind of highlights it because the turkey meat's lighter, but
Yeah.
yeah. But I think it looks awesome.
Do we want to try?
Oh, for sure. I need to get myself a, what do you need?
We need a
Oh, there's
fork.
one fork. It's blazing hot.
It is blazing hot.
All right, so we're just gonna give it a little taste here. So what we've got, we added 3 veggies, plus we put about 12 more in. Is it yum? Yeah, I don't wanna burn my mouth.
That's a big bite. It's sweet.
Mmm. That is delicious.
I like that. A lot.
I mean, you can't taste the vegetables at all.
You could even just use this as, you could put it in taco, right?
Mhm.
You could put it in a taco and just have it like
Yeah.
taco meat. Like an Asian taco, street taco.
That is delicious.
That is so good.
I mean, I love that. I love it. My family would eat that.
So we're actually going to use this recipe on our next Ding Dong Dinnered,
Yep.
which has, you know,
They have kids.
they have kids. So we'll let you know what they think.
Stay tuned.
It's delicious. So,
Be sure to subscribe.
yep.
Subscribe button, push that, and recipe below, right? We'll get the recipe below.
Yep.
And stay tuned for a Ding Dong dinner.
Yeah. Good luck with sneaking vegetables into your kids' meals.
Yeah, give it a try. It's easier than you think.